Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage, your morning market stir for Wednesday, October 9th. Well, look out below. Stocks finally gave way. All the nonsense in Washington finally weighed down on the markets. S&P 1650 and a half, down 17 points yesterday. 1646 was a low, so new month lows here in the E-mini S&P. The VIX actually was up about 20 again. A lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear in that stock market, even though we're finally just now starting to feel it. The Dow down 137, 14,714. The Dow was the strongest of the week equity markets there, down only 1% yesterday, but we're down 5% off the highs in the Dow. Looking at the Nasdaq, down 54 and a quarter, 31.50 and 3/4. Again, the Nasdaq had been strong, made new highs last week, down 2% yesterday, starting to get some heavy unwinding there as it's playing catch up on the downside to the other stock indexes. Looking at currencies, quiet, dollar up 11, 80.13, above 80. Euro below 136, 135.69, down 11. Bonds very steady once again, 133.13, up 2 points. Yields have been in this very tight range for 2 weeks. No reaction to what's happening out of Washington, D.C. Crude oil up 46 cents, 103.49, pivoting right now around this 103 level. 101 and change was the low last week to keep an eye on. And gold was nowhere. It was down 50 cents at 13.25. So after the new month lows yesterday in stocks, where do things stand on this Wednesday morning starting a new trading day? Well, we're up a little bit. We're up 5.5 points at 1656 in the E-mini S&P, up about 1/3%. Looking at the Dow's at 14,752, up 38. Again, the Dow is 900 points off its highs of just a few weeks ago. Nasdaq up 10, 31.61. Currencies a little bit of a bounce in the dollar, 80.40, up 26. Really having a hard time staying below that 80 level or extending now that we've gotten down to it. So now we're seeing a little bit of a rise there. The euro, 135.30, down 39. Bonds unchanged again, 133.13. With the yield on the 30 years at 3.70, the yield on the 10 years at 2.63. It's been trading at between 2.7 and 2.6 again for those last 2 weeks. Unable to decide what's going to happen next in those treasuries. Crude oil unchanged, 103.36, actually down 5 cents. And gold's down $13 at 13.12 with a little bit of a strength in that dollar. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. We're a little bit positive, up about 1/3%. 1656 right now, up 5.5 in the E-mini S&P, and up 38 points in the Dow futures. I will see you early Thursday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.